Here we have the Eclipse 2 fiber optic illuminator, 250 watt. Taking and opening the lid. Now for this video I'm going to be showing how to remove the color wheel. First thing I'm going to do is remove these two screws here with a number 2 tip Phillips. Then afterwards I'm going to take the two small screws and loosen them that's on either side of the hub of the color wheel to remove the color wheel. Let me set the camera down here for a second. First screw. Second screw. With those screws out, I'm able to lift this assembly out. Then I take my 6/32 Allen wrench and loosen each side of the screws of the color wheel. With that, I'm able to loosen the color wheel off. Apologize for the angle, I have a camera here, but it's basically it. And these are the two screws I was taking in and loosening, because when you put the new color wheel in, same thing, you're going to put it on the shaft, so you're going to tighten it. But when you put it in, you want to ensure that the shaft of the motor is flush to the back of the color wheel hub. Here, okay? So if it goes any deeper, it might hit the sensor. So you want to make sure that there is no space. The shaft is not past the color wheel hub. So here I'm just tightening it back on. Both screws tightened back on. Okay. Now, it's kind of tricky here. I'm putting this back into place. It's hard to see because there is no light, but there are two PEM nuts located in here. You can barely see them. It's really not too visible, but the edge of the motor plate here has to slide between the two small PEM nuts located here, and that's what I'm about to do. I want to make sure I'm not disconnecting anything, that I'm keeping everything connected. Let's slide the board back in position. And then to finish off, just put the screws back in, tighten both sides, and we'll be complete.